بوك 2.
40.
40.
40.
السؤال عن الطريق.
Asking for directions.
Asking for directions.
من فضلك.
Excuse me,
Excuse me,
هل يمكنك مساعدتي؟
can you help me?
can you help me?
أين يوجد هنا مطعم جيد؟
Is there a good restaurant around here?
Is there a good restaurant around here?
اذهب لجهة اليسار عند الزاوية.
Take a left at the corner.
Take a left at the corner.
ثم سر مسافة قصيرة على خط مستقيم.
Then go straight for a while.
Then go straight for a while.
ثم اذهب لجهة اليمين 100 متر.
Then go right for 100 meters.
Then go right for 100 meters.
يمكنك أيضا أن تأخذ الباص.
You can also take the bus.
You can also take the bus.
يمكنك أيضا أن تأخذ الترام.
You can also take the tram.
You can also take the tram.
يمكنك أيضا أن تسير خلفي.
You can also follow me with your car.
You can also follow me with your car.
كيف أصل إلى استاد كرة القدم؟
How do I get to the soccer stadium?
How do I get to the football stadium?
اقطع الجسر.
Cross the bridge.
Cross the bridge.
اعبر النفق.
Go through the tunnel.
Go through the tunnel.
سر حتى ثالث إشارة ضوئية.
Drive until you reach the third traffic light.
Drive until you reach the third traffic light.
ثم انعطف يمينا عند أول شارع.
Then turn into the first street on your right.
Then turn into the first street on your right.
ثم سر على خط مستقيم على التقاطع التالي.
Then drive straight through the next intersection.
Then drive straight through the next intersection.
من فضلك، كيف أصل إلى المطار؟
Excuse me. How do I get to the airport?
Excuse me. How do I get to the airport?
الأفضل أن تأخذ المترو.
It is best if you take the subway.
It is best if you take the underground.
اركب ببساطة حتى آخر محطة.
Simply get out at the last stop.
Simply get out at the last stop.
الرجاء الذهاب إلى www.book2.de لمطالعة الكتب مع الدروس الصوتية.
بوك 2.
41.
41.
41.
التوجيه.
Where is?
Where is?
أين مكتب الاستعلام السياحي؟
Where is the tourist information office?
Where is the tourist information office?
هل عندكم لي خريطة المدينة؟
Do you have a city map for me?
Do you have a city map for me?
هل يمكن هنا حجز غرفة في فندق؟
Can one reserve a room here?
Can one reserve a room here?
أين هي المدينة القديمة؟
Where is the old city?
Where is the old city?
أين الكاتدرائية؟
Where is the cathedral?
Where is the cathedral?
أين المتحف؟
Where is the museum?
Where is the museum?
أين يمكن شراء طوابع بريد؟
Where can one buy stamps?
Where can one buy stamps?
أين يمكن شراء زهور؟
Where can one buy flowers?
Where can one buy flowers?
أين يمكن شراء تذاكر سفر؟
Where can one buy tickets?
Where can one buy tickets?
أين الميناء؟
Where is the harbor?
Where is the harbour?
أين السوق؟
Where is the market?
Where is the market?
أين القصر؟
Where is the castle?
Where is the castle?
متى تبدأ الجولة؟
When does the tour begin?
When does the tour begin?
متى تنتهي الجولة؟
When does the tour end?
When does the tour end?
كم مدة الجولة؟
How long is the tour?
How long is the tour?
أريد مرشدا يتحدث الألمانية.
I would like a guide who speaks German.
I would like a guide who speaks German.
أريد مرشدا يتحدث الإيطالية.
I would like a guide who speaks Italian.
I would like a guide who speaks Italian.
أريد مرشدا يتحدث الفرنسية.
I would like a guide who speaks French.
I would like a guide who speaks French.
Book 2.
42.
42.
42.
زيارة المدينة.
City tour.
City tour.
هل يفتح السوق أيام الأحد؟
Is the market open on Sundays?
Is the market open on Sundays?
هل يفتح المعرض أيام الاثنين؟
Is the fair open on Mondays?
Is the fair open on Mondays?
هل يفتح المعرض أيام الثلاثاء؟
Is the exhibition open on Tuesdays?
Is the exhibition open on Tuesdays?
هل تفتح حديقة الحيوان أيام الأربعاء؟
Is the zoo open on Wednesdays?
Is the zoo open on Wednesdays?
هل يفتح المتحف أيام الخميس؟
Is the museum open on Thursdays?
Is the museum open on Thursdays?
هل يفتح الجاليري أيام الجمعة؟
Is the gallery open on Fridays?
Is the gallery open on Fridays?
هل يسمح بالتصوير؟
Can one take photographs?
Can one take photographs?
هل ينبغي دفع رسم دخول؟
Does one have to pay an entrance fee?
Does one have to pay an entrance fee?
كم يكلف رسم الدخول؟
How much is the entrance fee?
How much is the entrance fee?
هل يوجد تخفيض للمجموعات؟
Is there a discount for groups?
Is there a discount for groups?
هل يوجد تخفيض للأطفال؟
Is there a discount for children?
Is there a discount for children?
هل يوجد تخفيض للطلبة؟
Is there a discount for students?
Is there a discount for students?
ما هذا المبنى؟
What building is that?
What building is that?
كم عمر هذا المبنى؟
How old is the building?
How old is the building?
من بنى هذا المبنى؟
Who built the building?
Who built the building?
أنا مهتم بالهندسة المعمارية.
I'm interested in architecture.
I'm interested in architecture.
أنا مهتم بالفن.
I'm interested in art.
I'm interested in art.
أنا مهتم بالرسم.
I'm interested in paintings.
I'm interested in paintings.